Okay guys, day one, we started demo. Way back when, if you were watching my channel, you would see that that part of the floor was rotted under that back window. And so that will be getting replaced this week. And new flooring. This is the new flooring that's going in right there. Wood planks, laminate. So benches are out. It's getting a little breezy here. Hopefully you don't pick up wind noise. We got that bench out over there. And this one is going to stay in. We don't need to take it out. So everything is getting ready. I think the first thing we're going to do is paint. See you soon. Okay, next thing I'm doing here is taking this insert out. I'm going to be replacing all of the window seals. And when I say that probably the first thing we're going to do is paint, I am talking about the outside, not the inside. So that part's out. Started. Ow! Oh my gosh! Puncture wounds.
Oh no! Band-aid time. You got a puncture?
Yeah. All right.
You're on foot.
Okay, I got it. It almost looks like a snake skin in there.
Yeah, there's something in there. Right.
Oh man, it's gushing.
Hold on.
Because I hear it cracking.
Yeah, there was a crack in your fiberglass. Hold on. There we go. There we go. Look at that. What is that?
I don't know.
What's around the whole window? Okay, time for Band-Aids and
Got a boo-boo.
lunch. But someone sealed it before or something.
Yeah. That's odd. Oh, we got blood all over the floor. We got blood on the floor. Alright, time for a break. First aid. Okay, so you can see here, this is kind of rubbery silicone or something. And I'm scraping all that off so it's clean for the new window install. You can see right there, that's all rubbery. So I gotta clean that off. I hate flat screws. Aren't they
It's like
a pain?
it's rusted in there.
Yeah. Can't even get it to start.
Yeah.
All right, now we're spraying more adhesive. This is what I'm using. And then after we spray it, we have to let it sit for 5 minutes. I'm going to spray this, and then I'm going to spray the carpet. Okay, now we're doing the wall covering. In this section here on the side, we cut the window section out. Of course, it'll all get trimmed right along there after it's done. Okay guys, here's what we got done on day one. Both of these side windows are out. There's the old molding for one. We had to clean up some goop off of here. And then inside, what we got, this wall carpeted. You can see that. Finished Reflectix down here. That'll get carpeted tomorrow. Over here, this wall is carpeted. Still have to do that, and that one, and then the top. But that is carpeted. Just needs a tiny little bit of trimming. But There it is. So it doesn't go all the way down. That doesn't matter because that'll be under the bench seat that makes the dinette and then goes into a bed. So we are tired. We are wore out. And this is day one. I feel like we got a lot accomplished. And there'll be more to do tomorrow. Bye, everybody.